Hello. In this video I would like to introduce you to scripting support for Resolume. With this plugin you can make Resolume execute custom logic whenever you want. To see how this works in action, let's write a new script. First, go to the Effects tab and search for Script. Then, drag the effect to a new clip slot and trigger the clip. Now press the New Script button and you will see your default text editor open up. The new script contains everything you need to get started. For our script we don't need most of this, so we can remove all the code except for the first block of global parameters and the entry points that are called by the plugin. Now we can start writing our code. To get a hold of everything we can do, press the Show API Docs button in the plugin. This will open the documentation in your default browser. Here you can browse for any classes exposed by the plugin. Let's go to the Render Tools class to find out how to draw some text. Now let's call this function from the script and then save the file. You will see that after saving, the plugin automatically picks up the change. The text is very small right now, so let's make it bigger. There we go, clearly readable. There are many classes and functions for you to dive into, even if you are not interested in animation or rendering. For example, you can still write OSC scripts to direct parts of your composition. Look at this control script example that comes with the plugin. It executes an entire animation of triggering clips while also controlling parameters. This is ideal for when you have a sequence of operations that need to be executed in order. I hope this brief introduction was useful to you. To help you further, the plugin contains many examples, as well as documentation for dozens of utility classes. There are also instructions to help you set up your development environment. If you need any help, leave a reply with any questions and I'd be glad to help you out.